Hey guys, Pramit here from Smart Reviews. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're gonna see in this video what a cheap a Chinese smart bracelet, which kind of look like Xiaomi Mi Band 5 looks like, and what are the functions we get in it, and how accurate it is, and how's the mobile app when we pair it with the mobile, when we pair it with the smartwatch, how it works, how it connects, is there any problem, does it work properly, and what sort of material it comes with as well, what comes in the box. So we're gonna talk about all these things. So let's dive into it. Alright, so as you can see over here, it just comes in this black box over here, which says M5. So M5 is the version. This is how the watch looks like. Just keep in mind, this is not a touch screen. It has a small button over here, which you just press and hold for functions and all the stuff. It says M5. It's 5 smart bracelet. It has some notifications like Facebook, step counter, motion pattern, sleep, and all the stuff. So nothing much over here. If you look at the watch itself, it's just a basic watch, just like a Xiaomi one, which you can take it off just for charging when you want to charge it as well. It comes with this small charger, USB Type A to this 2-pin, and it just magnetically connects over there, and here we go. So it just only connects one way. Here we go, and it connects like that. It's when the watch is just connected, it's quite strong, but when you connect it, when you put it in the strap itself, and then you try to connect it, it's a bit loose and doesn't hold as well. So you just have to keep in mind. Nothing much about that. And so so that's the home screen over here. You can change, of course, the watch faces as well, which I'll show you in a bit how to do that from the watch, from the phone itself. And if you look in there, um, it has, so that's the main. It's not a touch screen, just keep in mind. So you have to press this button over here. So when you press this, it turns on and off. Press one more time, you go steps, heart rate, sports, message, sleep, weather, music, more. So in order to go into more, you have to keep an go. Now we got camera, looking for, that's when you have to connect it with the smartphone to access the mobile app with Bluetooth. Theme, this is where you can change the theme as well. Reset, download. So when you got this smartwatch and you install the mobile app, you download this QR code from the scanner, and then it will download, and that's just the turn it off over there, and the version and everything as well, and again goes back over there to more, and then when you press again, it takes you to the home screen. So there is no way to go to the home screen straight away. You just have to go through all the steps. If I want to go through home screen, I can't straight away because there is no other button as well. So again, if you want to go into the steps, you just press and hold this button. That will take you into the steps, and if you want to turn it on, you press it once again. But I'm just going to come back. So press and hold will take you back again. So that's the back button as well. Heart rate, so let's see what happens. I'll press and hold, and then it starts measuring. So as you can see, there is no diode in there. It's um, just a light blinking, to be honest, because nothing's gonna there's no actual diode that's gonna touch your skin, so I'm assuming this is just a fake one. Okay, so let's see what happens again. Heart rate, press and hold, there we go, and it's just measuring. That's what it says, it's measuring. But what I'm gonna do is I'm not touching anything, I'm not touching it to my skin, and then it's still gonna give me a reading. So let's see what it gives. So it says 78 beats per minute. Blood pressure 132/76. Oh, there we go, it's gone. Okay, I'll do it again. Here we go. So let's see. Okay, just a minute. Almost done. There you go. 83, 107, 68, and 99% SPO2, which is actually right, because if we go into other modes, let's do it again. Okay, home screen. We've done steps, heart rate. We have seen sports. So if you keep and hold it, it says running, skipping, sit up, sports. That's it. Message, sleep. So that's the sleep one. Weather. So press and hold. And right now it's connected to my my smartphone as well. So that's why it's showing that app over here. 7 degrees Celsius to 14. Music. So you can control music as well. Press and hold, and you go in there. Here we go. So now, as I said, there is no way I can go back from here. So I think I'll just have to press and hold to go back. No, so I just have to wait for the screen to go black, and it should. Here we go. So back that. Okay, so nothing's happening. See, as you can see, there is no way I can go back now. It's just switching between the buttons when I press it and then press and hold. Here we go. Now it went back. Okay, so it's not that accurate as well, the button. Music more when you press and hold, you're going to press and hold. Let's see what happens. It takes a picture, and I'll show you in a bit as well when I'm connected with the mobile app. So I'll show you that as well. Okay, now so normally if I press and hold, it takes me back, but it's not taking me, just clicking the pictures. So now there is no way I can go back now. It just keeps on taking pictures. So I just have to wait. Okay, here we go. And hopefully, here we go. Okay, so I'm back now. So looking for is when it's connecting for the Bluetooth theme. Let's see what happens in the theme. Here we go. So these are some themes which I have already downloaded. Like this one. These are default ones. One, yeah, that's it. Theme, reset, download. Okay, so let's go. Let's put this back now. Let's put this back and see. So that's the mobile app. It says Fitpro. So when you turn it on, here we go. I've already signed in. And the watch is connected as well. So it's just a matter of connecting with the Bluetooth. And once it's connected, then you can do all sort of things. So when you go home, so that's your home screen for the app. Nothing much. It's the heart rate. It says the heart rate when you press here. It shows you what was your heart rate. So these are some of the heart rates, blood saturation, the blood pressure, and oxygen saturation as well. It says start measuring. So let's see. Here we go. So it's because it's connected now, so it's gonna measure now. Again, I'm just gonna put it over here. Connect my. There we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it says 77, 98%, and 131 over 64. That's my blood pressure. Right, and that's for the sleep. I haven't tried it. To be honest, I haven't tried it. So it has the mobile app has a lot of ads as well in there. Nothing much. If you go to set from here, you can do some of the settings, like if you want to find the watch, of course. So let's say it's on the table or somewhere. I'll just press the find. Here we go. So it just vibrates. That's very good. At least it's working. Here we go. So that's good. And when you look at the remote shutter, it's just basically the remote shutter is just you press it and here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a picture of this one. So if I, here we go. So picture taken. Right, I can go back again on the smartwatch. Here we go. So when you click it, it will take done. And if I click and hold, it goes back to the home screen. Okay, let's go back here. Sleep with the music mode. So I'm just gonna press and hold. Here we go, camera. So if I press it, no, no. Okay, more camera. Just gonna press it again. Here we go. So it's working. I wouldn't say it's bad. It's working. Press and hold, and comes out. Okay. So that's for the camera. Message push is what sort of apps you want the message on the smartwatch. So like calls, remind, SMS, WeChat, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Skype, LinkedIn. Dial settings. So that's the here we go. So that's the default one which is in there. And if you click on the recommended, so these are the ones which you can download. So that's quite a lot. That's quite a lot, and they keeps on updating. Look at that. Here we go. So let's say if I want this one on my watch, so I just click on that. Here we go. Looks okay, and say synchronize dial and upgrading. Look at on the watch as well. So connection wise is okay, and it should be on the watch straight away. Okay, just going there. Fitpro, and there. Here we go. So that's done. So that's how you go for the dial. And then reset device. If you want to reset, it says you want to reset. I don't want to reset right now. Remove other apps. If you go in other, it just says vibrate setting. OTA update. The latest version, of course. Here we go. Motion. If you go in motion, it just says start walking. So you press start, and then it will. GPS is not open. Please open. I said okay. Alright, asking for the location. I've done that. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so it's measuring now. Swap to rig. Okay, here we go. On. So as I walk, it's just gonna, measure the track and everything as well. Please exit the app. Okay, and exit. There we go. And then you got, so that's for walk, that's for running, and that's for biking. So I haven't measured or checked it how accurate it is, but I'm gonna do that in my next video, and then I'll show it to you. Long screen, that's the setting only, and if you go back to home, so that's the mobile app. So let's go back into that again once more time and see. So that's the steps. So once we do walking and running and whatever, it will come over here. Steps, heart rate we have already seen. Sports mode, so that's running again, skipping, sit up, just 3 only. Sports, message, sleep, weather, music, more. So that's just a quick review of this Fitpro M5 Smart Bracelet. It's kind of a it's very light, and the band over here is it's plastic. It's not silicone or rubbery. It's just plastic. It's straight plastic. And I've tried putting this back over here as well, but it goes in there, but then getting it out is a bit of challenge because you have to like push, and it's very because it's not soft, so you just have to push it all the way. Here we go. So that's how it looks, and yeah, and it goes back on the hand as well. So here we go, it just goes back on the hand, and that's how it looks like. Yeah, so thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel for any more future videos. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. It really motivates and helps me in making more videos as well for the future. So that thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next video.